Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming OTG capability. Most Vivo Y200 5G models support it. Once done, connect a USB-C OTG adapter to the phone and insert the pendrive. Make sure the flash drive is formatted FAT32 or XFAT so Android reads it immediately. If prompted, grant file access permission, tap Allow. You should now see a notification or the Files app entry for the drive. If not, unlock the screen and try a different USB port or adapter to rule out poor contact. Open the native Files app, then select the connected USB storage. You'll see folders and files listed. To move files, long press the item, choose Cut or Copy, navigate to the pendrive folder and paste. For large videos or backups, transfer in smaller batches to avoid timeouts and keep the battery above 20%. Use Rename or Create folder to organize. If you need an app, install a file manager that supports OTG. Make sure to wait for each transfer to finish before unplugging. When finished, always eject the pendrive via the Files app or the USB notification. This prevents data loss. If the phone fails to recognize the drive, confirm the pendrive works on a PC and swap adapters. Cheap OTG cables often cause issues. If files look corrupted, connect to a computer and run disk repair tools or copy salvageable files, then reformat the drive to FAT32 or XFAT. Finally, if transfers repeatedly fail, restart the phone and try again. That resolves cached USB driver glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.